Hello everybody, it's Sarah here from Snapshots and Scribbles, and I'm here today to share with you the Aunty Vera Scrap and Craft June kit. This kit is called Coffee and Friends, and I'm so excited to open this up and have a look with you today. So let's have a look what's inside. So I'm just going to pull everything out and then we can have a look together. We have some texture paste. So I've not seen this one before. So this is Deco Art Dimensional Effects Paintable Texture Paste. It says add dimension to paintable surfaces, ideal for stenciling and mixed media. So that looks great, guys. I can't wait to give that a go. Hopefully that means I'll be able to do some stenciling or something this month. We then have a little packet of embellishments here. So let's have a look what we've got inside. So there is a little packet of brown and tan and white sequins here from Neat and Tangled. So they're very pretty. We have a coffee enamel pin from Echo Park. We have some Aunty Vera washi tape. It's got little coffee cups there in different colors. Really sweet. We have some flowers here from Art Basics Alterable Flowers, and they're sort of like a cream in different types of hessian there. So very pretty. You could spray those to color them if you wanted. Then we have some 3D coffee stickers. There's a coffee bar, some mugs, that kind of thing. These are for from Forever in Time. And there are embellishments for this month. So let's see what else we have. So, oh, there is a Sizzix stamp and die set. So this says, take a break, Java time, got caffeine? Let's get a cup of coffee, thanks a latte, I break for coffee. And there's a big coffee mug there, and then there's this die here to cut all those bits and pieces out with. We do have a stencil in here. So this is a Kaisercraft 6-inch stencil called Splash. I'll just quickly take it out so you can see the different patterns there. So here it is here. So some different splash effects there. Very sweet. There's more. This one's jam-packed, guys. Very good if you like coffee. But you could even adapt some of these for tea. That's what I'll do because I'm not much of a coffee drinker myself. So we have, oh, this is a coffee cup shaker. So that's what the shakers are for, guys, to make a coffee cup shaker card. So you get 6 of these, and then there are 6 card bases here so that you can put the shaker in that cutout part there and then decorate a card. How beautiful. That looks like lots of fun. What a great find, Vera. And then we'll get down to the papers. So first of all, we have this little set of papers here. And these are Bow Bunny double dot design. So it looks like these are just to go alongside the main collection in this box. So there's a French vanilla double dot, and there's this sort of fleur-de-lis design, and it's coffee vintage on this side. And the back of the vanilla is just plain vanilla cardstock. So they're really nice, lovely coffee colors there. And then for the main collection here, we have this coffee and tea kit. So there seems to be 2 of each design. And I'll just go through these with you. They're double-sided. So we have this one here with the ground coffee, and on the back of that is just some coffee there. We have this sayings here: cafe, cappuccino, Americano. Oh, and the reverse of that is just inverted. We have this kind of wood grain with the coffee and a splash background there. Oh, this is my favorite. This is more my style. Lovely teacups. And oh, a beautiful floral background there. And then there's some, oh, these are actually stickers, I think. They are. These are big 4x6-inch stickers. So we've got tea time, shamelessly addicted to caffeine. Here are some little ones. So they would be, what, 1.5 by 2 inches? But first coffee or my cup of tea. Ooh, sorry, bumping my camera all over the place. First I drink the coffee, then I do the things. Coffee is always a good idea, and some more of the 1.5 by 3 inch ones down in that corner there. So what a special little collection that's here, guys. So you've got that beautiful paper set there. You've then got the matching bow bunny. You have the bits and bobs here to make the shaker card. We have the stencil, and I put that there. We have this Sizzix stamp and die set, and then we have the texture paste to go along with the stencil there, and then we have all these great embellishments. So this is a fantastic kit, especially if you're a coffee lover or you have friends who are. And I thank you so much for this kit, Vera. I will be back later in the month to share some projects with you all. Bye for now.